So today I want to touch on some Python basic programming. You're going to go to this website, onlinegdb.com, and it has a online compiler that you're going to use to work on learning Python basics. About 10 years ago or so, I started doing a little dabbling into JavaScript and HTML, where I made a school website and a few teacher websites. So now I'm beginning to dabble in Python a little bit. And so I want to share this with some students. Python is the fastest growing computer language in 2020. You can do various things with it, like making apps for Androids and iPhones, but it's better used for developing, for like website development and machine learning. So let's start with the first thing. Usually you want to learn in Python is like three commands, well, three syntax or actions in Python. The first one is the print command. So you want to type print, P-R-I-N-T, and then you want to put a parentheses. You're going to see parentheses quite often, and then you're going to use the you can either use the double quotation marks or you can use the single quotation mark. You probably want to just start off with single because it's a little easier. And you're going to put hello, HELLOWORLD. So this is, in the green, it's what's called a string. And after you type hello world, you click run. And you should see it says on the bottom down here, hello world. So let's practice a few more. Go to the end, press enter, go to line 2, and type print again, P-R-I-N-T, and type parentheses, and you should type the quotes. You can use double quotes. Let's use double quotes. Quotes. Internet safety always. And put an exclamation sign. And then put your cursor at the end. And then click run. And it says the whole thing. It says hello world, internet safety always. So now let's go back to the top. I'm going to do another print command. You want to delete the first line. You're going to still use the print command, internet safety always. Go to the end of the parentheses, press enter, and you're going to type print again. P-R-I-N-T, parentheses, do not use, but we forgot something. That's why we have different colors and it's not green. We need to put the quote. Do not use your first name or last name on the internet. Internet, exclamation. So that's one good thing you should know that goes for everyone. Do not use your first name or last name on the internet. Take out the parentheses. It may be too long. Parentheses. Let's run it and see if it'll go. Okay, it says error because I think it was too long. So let's just do one. Let's take out last name. I think because I have a space here. Print. Okay, let's delete the whole thing and start over. Okay. We forgot again. We have to put the quotation mark. Do not put your last name on the internet. There you go. And click. After you type that, you can put it out on the end. You don't have to, but just for practice, click run. And if you look on the bottom, it says it there. Do not put your last name on the internet. Okay. Then now we're going to move over to the next line. Print. This is a command that you'll use quite often. Print. Do not. Quotes again. That's very important. Do not put your first name on the internet. Okay, and click run, and it should print all three. Internet safety. Do not put your last name on the internet. Do not put your first name on the internet. And the next one. So it's gonna always when you print run, when you click run, it's going to always put what you have coded up on top. If I delete the first line, it's going to delete the first line and just print the next two. So we're going to do another print command. Print. Always. No, of course we have to put a quote. Always have parent SUPEREISION if you are a child. Okay, it says always have parent supervision if you are a child. Click run. It's there, and it prints it down on the bottom. It displays what you programmed on top. So that's the most important thing. So you learn 3 commands, 3 activities to do. You learn that you can use the print. You always, quite often, are going to use print. And you have the parentheses. And you can use the double quotation marks or the single quotation mark. And it always must be the end of your string. This is called a string. Inside the quotation marks, you must always end the string with an ending quotation marks, and you must always end it in a parentheses, and you click run when you're done, and it will print from top to bottom.